Sanbonani, Ninjani, Nami Nyapu. Welcome back to Siafunda. I'm excited today as we explore how to answer the questions that we asked last week. Remember, last week we asked where things are. This week we're going to answer. One of the ways, or some of the ways, that we can answer where things are in the following ways. The first is we can say something is in front of, and in SiSwati we say ngembili gwe, or we can say something is behind such and such, and in SiSwati we would say ngemuva gwe. We can also say something is next to, and in SiSwati we would say eceleni gwe. So we're going to use these in sentences, and there's going to be a bonus, so make sure you listen to the end. But let's respond to the questions that we asked last week. First question we asked was, Upi umtoi? Remember, that meant where's the toilet? You could respond by saying, Umtoi useceleni gwelisonvo. The toilet is behind the church. Umtoi useceleni gwelisonvo. Next question, we asked lipi lisonvo, meaning where is the church? Lipi lisonvo. We can answer that question by saying lisonvo lingembili gwesitolo. The church is in front of the shop. Lisonvo lingembili gwesitolo. Next one, we asked sipi sitolo, where's the shop? We can answer that by saying sitolo singemuva gwelisonvo. Sitolo singemuva gwelisonvo. The shop is behind the church. Moving on, inja. Remember we asked ipi inja. Where is the dog? Ipi inja. We can respond by saying inja ingembili gwegudla, meaning the dog is in front of the food. Inja ingembili gwegudla. Next question. Gupi gudla. Where is the food? Gupi gudla is how we ask that. And you would say gudla gungemuva gwenja. Gudla gungemuva gwenja. The food is behind the dog. Two more. Mage. We asked upi mage. Where is mother? Upi mage. We can respond by saying mage useceleni gwatishela. Notice we use gwa. We use gwa instead of gwe when the person is positioned next to a proper noun or a person. So tishela is a person, and we use gwa instead of gwe. Mage useceleni gwa tishela. Mom is next to the teacher. Mage useceleni gwa tishela. We can also ask upi tishela, where is the teacher? And we can respond tishela useceleni gwa mage. Tishela useceleni gwa mage. All right, I'm going to go through just the answers, and I'll pause a little bit so you can try to repeat after me. Umtoi useceleni gwelisonvo. Lisonvo lingembili gwesitolo. Sitolo singemuva gwelisonvo. inja ingembili kwekudla. Kudla kungemuva kwenja. Make useceleni kwathishela. Thishela useceleni kwamake. And there it is. So we learned ngemuva kwe, which is behind, ngembili kwe, which is in front of, and eceleni kwe, which is next to. There's obviously many other ways other places that things can be, and we're going to learn those over the weeks to come, but make sure you practice these and use these responses so you can get them. All right, bonus time. So this is a little bit of a useful one that you can use several times, and you can respond by saying, I don't know, because they might say, where is so-and-so? And well, you don't know. Or where is such and such? And we don't know. And so this is a useful one that you can respond to many questions. And the way we say, I don't know in SiSwati is, angati. I'll repeat it. Angati. Uphi ubtoy? Angati. Uphi mage? Angati. Kuphi kudla? Angati. All right, we have come to the end of today's lesson, and I hope that you are following along and practicing and getting used to all of this that we are doing. If you would like to learn more and go deeper, click in the comments below, and you can sign up for in-depth lessons that we can do to add in addition to this. Looking forward to seeing you next week when we'll actually be learning about borrowed words, SiSwati words that were taken from English, Afrikaans, and several other languages that might be interesting to you. So make sure you join us. Join me next week as we look at borrowed words. Sita obonana.